Good morning, everyone. I'm Lynette, and this is Grammy Crochet, and this is a giveaway video. So have you heard of $50 for me, $50 for you giveaway from Distinctive Crochet? If you haven't, give it a listen now because I'm going to tell you about it, or at least what I understand about it. So I am a content creator, and I'm going to participate in this giveaway. If you comment on my giveaway on this video for me, you'll be entered in to be a semi-finalist. So you make a comment on my video. I'll tell you what you have to comment at the end, so you have to watch all the way through. You have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to be 18 or over. You have to be able to receive an e-gift card. And so you have to follow the rules that will be linked below. Including in those rules, you have to jump over from here to Distinctive Crochet's video that will be linked below. You have to put in the comments on that video my name, referred by Lynette. Lynette sent me something to that effect. Charm Grammy Crochet. You have to put Charm Grammy Crochet. So Charm Grammy Crochet sent me, or Lynette from Charm Grammy Crochet, something to that effect, so that she knows that you came because of my video. You can go to every person who's got the title, $50 for you, $50 for me, in there as their title, and do whatever they want you to do, but you have to be subscribed to the channels, all involved. Any channel that you make a comment on, you have to be subscribed to, publicly subscribed. Then on March 4th, all of the content creators will draw names. You can win, you can be a semi-finalist on more than one video, so just enter and enter and enter. All those names get sent to Distinctive Crochet, and she will draw the winner. Now, at this point, I don't know that I'm allowed to give a prize to my semifinalist. If I find out that I can give a prize to my semifinalist, I will give a prize. I'm not sure what it is because I don't know if I'm allowed to give it yet, but I'm finding that out. But in the meantime, I wanted to get the video out here. So be publicly subscribed to every $50 for you, $50 for me creator that you that you comment on. Comment on them all. Give yourself more chances to win. And of course, go to Distinctively Crochet and comment on hers, what her comment is. She has a specific comment she needs you to have. Again, you have to be subscribed, because she's drawing from hers and then she's drawing from ours. So she's got like two, is my understanding. So you have to be subscribed to both channels. Either way, my winner has to be subscribed to hers, even if you didn't enter on her video. Okay, so that's the way I believe that it works. And like I said, I will be drawing on March 4th. By then, I will know if I can give you a prize, and if I can, I will know what it is, and I'll show it to you on that day. So go enter lots and lots and lots of videos. Win yourself $50, hopefully, and have a totally awesome day. See you in my next video. Bye bye.